There's such a huge difference how Shane's little mogwai acts when he's around and when he's not. So I told him I would take a video. Here we go. Hi, Mogwai. Oh my goodness, how are you? Oh my gosh. Hi, guys. How are you? Hi. Oh, you glad to see me? Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, you're acting crazy. Should we get these big dogs fed? Huh? Should we get the big dogs fed? Oh my gosh. Well, come back here. All right. You just can't get enough, can you? All right. Let's feed these big dogs, okay? Okay, let's feed these. Oh, I hear you, Bodie.
Come on. Oh, wait. Another ice cream. Please. Whatever. Where do you want me to put it?
You set it there.
Here?
Yeah. And then leave.